Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trailboss Crew Cab. This one's finished in a brand new color, Oxford Brown Metallic. Absolutely beautiful color. You can't really, you'll see it's kind of dirty right now. It just came off the truck, but you can get a pretty good gist of what the color looks like. Of course, the big beefy off-road tires. Go over to the window sticker. Trailboss right here, that's sick. 57,315 with convenience package 2. Power sunroof safety package, leather package, bed protection package, and advanced trailering package. Go ahead, pop the hood, and let's take a look at that 5.3. Good sized motor. Looks pretty cool. Without further ado, let's go ahead, take this thing out on the road and see how it drives. Which, spoiler alert, is quite well. No running boards on this one. Kind of have to hoist yourself up a little bit. But once you're inside, you're nice and comfortable. Sunroof. Not too many changes for 2021. Kind of just new colors and stuff like that. But this is the first time I've ever seen Oxford Brown. And let me just tell you, it is probably the best color for this truck. It looks so good. Same thing with like that fire engine red. Beautiful. We're really starting to get some special color combos in inventory now. Whoever is ordering them, I should give them a good high five because they're really stepping up their game. Come on. Come on, traffic. Trailboss is meant to take on your Ram Rebel, stuff like that. Not as much the Raptor. Doesn't quite have the performance to match the Raptor. It's almost like a mini Raptor. Then again, this also, basically fully loaded, is 20 grand less than a mid-trim Raptor. So there's that. And it's quite easy to put a Callaway supercharger on a 5.3, then you got Raptor performance too. Ten-speed automatic is absolutely phenomenal, to be honest. Nice smooth shifts, while also being quite quick too for the segment. The soft off-road tires do provide a little bit of road noise, but that's to be expected with tires like this. Quite easily fixed, but it's a pretty good compromise for the performance. Nice bike. I don't know what's all over that road. It's like rubber kind of, it's weird. but you do sit very, very high up. That's a friend of mine. He just twin turboed the car. And it's pushing right about 650 wheel horsepower as it sits right now. I will say this is the longest I've ever sat at this light. Alright, here we go. Obviously not focused on handling, but it's not bad. Steering's pretty responsive, throttle's very responsive, and in sport mode, steering weights up, throttle response is increased. It's honestly a very, very fun truck to drive. And actually a lot more aspects than just one. Off-road capabilities are through the roof. You know, it's just a really, really fun to drive pickup, and it's also very, very luxurious for the price point. Brake pedal's a little touchy, but keep in mind these are absolutely brand new brakes, so that will change with time as they wear in a bit. All in all, the 2021 Trailboss is still my favorite Silverado that we make. It is just absolutely phenomenal. Fun to drive, plenty of power, great soundtrack. Yeah, and especially finished in this color, great looks. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.